Hi, Wanderlust Vegans here. We're continuing our 30-day zero waste challenge, which we got from Zero Waste Nerd. We went to Bulk Barn to get some more groceries. So we got all sorts of stuff. We got sriracha powder, didn't even know that existed.
Nutritional yeast,
Ground flaxseed,
Italian spice,
dates,
some rice,
pasta noodles,
kidney beans.
and a whole lot of oatmeal.
You can bring in your own reusable containers as long as they're clean and food safe, and they'll weigh them that you don't pay the weight of your container. So that's what we did today. We only brought 9 containers with us into the store, which meant that we could only buy the 9 things that were on our list when we went into the store. So we actually came out with what we basically said we were going to buy, except for instead of peanut butter, we got dates. But we went in with 9 containers to fill, and we left with 9 containers that we filled. So it was kind of cool. And it was cheap too. Like, all that stuff we just showed you was $13, day 10.
And that is using to-go containers. Now, we haven't really gone out to eat that much, but yeah, but what we've been doing is just ordering less or eating all of our food. So that hasn't come up that much. I guess you could bring a to-go container and give it to the restaurant in order to put your food in. That's the idea. The next one is using compostable toothbrushes. Now, we haven't replaced any toothbrushes so far during the challenge, but we'll look into compostable toothbrushes and see what that's all about. We're not even quite sure where you would buy those. And then we have homemade toiletries. So I guess there's different ways to do that. You can make your own toothpaste with baking soda and whatnot.
Shampoo, you can make your own with baking soda and apple cider vinegar.
So yeah, there's different ways to do it. Zero waste.
I mean, I already buy our shampoo from Lush, and I buy the shampoo bar, and I put it in my reusable container already. So I probably will continue doing that because I love the smell of their shampoos. And it's zero waste because I bring my container and put it in there anyways.
Day 13 is reusable menstrual products.
So what she's talking about is getting a menstrual cup and cloth pads or panty liners and reusing them every month. So I already turned this route back in 2014. I bought myself a Diva cup and I love it. You basically don't know you have your period all day because you don't have to worry about it. You just stick that thing in there for 12 hours. It's great. It's good for traveling too because you can go out all day and be a tourist and not even have to worry about your period. So it's great. Get yourself a Diva cup.
Then day 14 is composting. This is pretty much something we have to do anyway, because in the regional district of Nanaimo, they have the green bin program, so you have to put all of your compostable material into the green bin.
They pick it up every week.
So everyone does this.
So for day 15 of the challenge, it's shopping at farmers market. So I'm at the best one in Vancouver Island, and we're gonna get some vegetables. The farmers market.
Day 16 is junk mail. So a lot of stuff comes in the mail that's total junk and you don't need. It's just paper, everything. So the idea would be to reduce your junk mail, get yourself off of these mailing lists, and have that stuff not end up in recycling or whatnot. Day 17.
That's today. So we're caught up now.
Yeah, that is soap. So I guess, we mentioned getting Soap from Lush, that's an option if you have the reusable container to use.
We're more zero waste than we thought that we were, but there's also a lot of things that we do need to work on. So we're learning what we need to be cutting down on, and we are learning what we are already doing that's great. So, and it's really fun too, trying to shop at the bulk stores with your own containers, and
Yeah.
it's a fun experience.
So I hope that you've enjoyed these first 17 days of our Zero Waste Challenge that we're following along with. Stay tuned for the next 13. Yeah, we're going away this weekend, so we'll see how well our Zero Waste Challenge will work when we're living in a hotel for a couple days.
Like and subscribe, follow along for the rest of our challenge.
Join in yourself. See, just read what the challenge is and educate yourself. See what you're already doing. If you have any ideas for some other fun challenges you'd like us to try, let us know. We are always up for a challenge. Have you checked out our minimalist challenge? Minimalist challenge. Bye. Nice
Bye.
to see you. See you later.